Hi everyone, welcome. If you're new here, hello, my name is Melanie, and if you're returning friends, thank you for coming back and watching another video here on our channel. For today's video, I will be showcasing all Gerard Cosmetics products, but first I just want to say that I am affiliated with them. I do have discount code, I do have links, and all that's going to be listed down below if you are interested. I got my PR this time around, so it's still in this packaging. I haven't seen what's inside. I don't remember what I got, but I know I got some Hydra Mattes. I have some bullet lipstick, some gloss. I think I got some lip liner. So we're gonna unbag this and show you guys what it looks like on me. I hope that you guys are enjoying my channel so far, and if you are, please do hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up so I know that you are loving my content, and please do ring that bell or that notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any of my uploads. So if you guys want to see some lip swatches, then just keep on watching. Before we start, you guys, I just want to say a big thank you to Gerard Cosmetics. Thank you, Jennifer Gerard, for trusting us micro influencer to showcase your products, because we do appreciate all the support. With that being said, let's go ahead and start. So I'm gonna start with the lip liner because I have one lip liner. This is their packaging. They are known for their black and gold packaging. They have the GC logo, and this is what it looks like. And then you have the name of the product. So this one is in Ecstasy, as you guys can see right here. Those are all of my lip liner, but most of that is Sugar and Spice, because you guys, Sugar and Spice is my jam. It's something that you need in your collection. If you haven't tried that shade yet, you're gonna fall in love with that shade. So I'm trying to collect the shades that I don't have. So this one is Ecstasy. This is the pencil right here. So she is known for her gold packaging, and then you have your color right here, and it says right here is Ecstasy. The formula of their pencil are very creamy and it's very pigmented. So if you are all about creamy lip liner, then you have to try Gerard Cosmetics. Now their lip liners are, let me double check, it is $16. They have so many shades to choose from, so make sure you check it out. I love the tone of this lip liner. I love using my lip liner as a lipstick as well, when I just want to go ahead and just fill in the lips. Moving on to the lip gloss. So you guys, this is the Color Your Smile lip gloss. We have two to showcase today. Packaging is the same. You have the gold accent, black with the gold accent, and then at the bottom you have the shade of your lip gloss. So I picked Seduction and Rose Hill. So let's start with Rose Hill, you guys. So I was reading, about this shade online so I can give you more information, and it says that Rose Hill is designed by Miss Jacqueline Hill. So that is a little fun fact that I didn't know, that she did design something with Gerard Cosmetics. Now with this one, you have the gold, and then you have the black accent right there. So this is in Rose Hill. Let me showcase this product for you because you will fall in love with this lip gloss. So at the back right here, you have a mirror, you guys. You have a mirror. So if you are out and about and you need to touch up on your lip gloss, you have a mirror. You don't have to find a mirror in your purse. Most of the time we carry a little compact, but with this one, you can just apply your lip gloss right here. But that's not it. For only $99, you can have a light inside. No, just joking. Another great thing about this product is you have a light inside. So if you are out and about at night, you can retouch your lip gloss because you already have a mirror, and now you have a light to shine your lips. So you can just, apply your lip gloss with your mirror with the guidance of the light. So that is pretty neat. I think that is so genius. What do you guys think about this tone? I think that it's really pretty. It is the perfect rosy tone. How I like using my lip gloss, you guys. I do like using them on top of my liquid lipstick, but I do sometimes just use lip liner and put this in the middle. It just makes your lips so plumpy. It's just, ugh. It's just so good. I do quite love the shade. I thought it was gonna be too pink, but I love the tone, you guys. But let me know. You guys, the next lip gloss is very seductive, you guys. I chose this because of how vampy it is. Let me just show you. Right here. So this one has a very deep, like, wine color to it. It's very vampy, you guys. I definitely picked this because of that. There are times that you want to have a dark lips, and you know, maybe you don't want that very matte dark lips and you want a pop of shine, so this is it for you. So let's go ahead and try it, you guys. I'm really excited and scared a little bit because I don't know what it looks like on me. The light on this one doesn't work, so I don't know how to fix that. Maybe there's a button that I need to push, but this one doesn't work, but it's okay. So you guys, if you don't want it to be too vampy or too dark, then just do one coat, because this right here is one coat, you guys. That is one dip into the tube, and it's pretty dark already, but I'm gonna do one more coat to see how dark we can get this. That is two coat, and it's still pretty comfortable on the lips. It's not too goopy. Is that a word? It's not too thick on the lips. So this is what it looks like with two coats. You saw it with one coat, so it's up to you, but you need this in your collection, you guys. You need to have that one dark shade in your collection. Maybe just one dark shade. This could be it. Moving on to the Hydra Mattes. These are my most worn Gerard Cosmetics products. I just love the consistency. I just love how it applies on the lips, you guys. So this applies very smooth and creamy on the lips, and it does dry matte, but not too drying on the lips, and it is a long-lasting product. So you guys need to definitely try the Hydra Mattes. If there is one product that I would say pick up from Gerard Cosmetics, is definitely the Hydra Matte, you guys, because they are just such an amazing products to have. If you love liquid lipstick, then this is something that you need to try. Please try and you can decide for yourself. As you guys can see right, nope, wrong side, right here, those are all Hydra Mattes, and then we have bullets on the bottom. So we have three to showcase today, so let's just go ahead and start. This is the same packaging. You have the black with the gold accent, and in the bottom we have the shades. So we have Gravity, Coachella, and Mercury Rising. We have a frosted tube, and then we have a gold top. So this is her packaging right here. You can see the color of your product, and then you do have a gold top right here. The applicator on this is a good size. It's not too big, it's not too small. It is a perfect size to get into the corner of your lips. This is more of the cooler tones of purples and grays. So if you like a more cooler tone on purples and grays, then this is your shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like on me. I am digging in the cooler tone, purple grayish tone. So what do you think? So like I mentioned earlier, it does dry matte, but it is comfortable on the lips. But if you don't like that matte feeling on your lips, they do have the lip glosses that you can pick with the same tone, maybe just a clear one or something that would match this on top, and you are good to go. If you apply something that is glossy on top, it just makes your lips so full, and mattes are good too, but if you don't like mattes, I'm just giving you option, you guys. Next up is this bright orange right here. This is Mercury Rising. So this is a bright orange tone. I don't think I own one that is a bright orange, so I'm really excited to see this on me. So let's just get to it, you guys. I think that I talk too much, so I'm just gonna go ahead and see what it looks like on me. So this one is very, very bright. I don't know yet, you guys. I'm still thinking about this shade, but let me know what your thoughts on this bright orange shade. Last but not the least, on the Hydra Matte section, this is a hot pink, you guys. This is, let's see, Coachella. So definitely something that you can wear at Coachella and it will definitely attract attention, and you will definitely be the center of the attention, I should say, because look at this. You can put this on your eyes, you can put this on your lips, and look how it's a statement lipstick right here, you guys. All you need is this and attention is gonna be on you. So I'm really excited to try this. I really went out of my little comfort zone with the colors that I picked this time around, and I'm glad I did. I think that my mom would love this shade very, very much because she loves her purples and pinks, and I think that she would enjoy this shade. So mama, when you come here and visit me, when it is allowed, you can definitely try this on and see if you love this one, and you can have it. Or I will get you another one because I do quite love this shade on me too. Like I said, it's always good to have a variety of colors in your collection, so when you have that one time that you need a certain color, you have it in your collection. We have 3 more to go, you guys. These are bullet lipstick. The pigments are really good on this one too. They are very soft on the lips. I love it. I'm a collector, you guys. I love collecting just great pieces. I just love collecting, you guys, and I love packaging. If the packaging is just unique, you are gonna be in my collection. And most of the bullets that I do have it in Hydra Matte, so I don't really touch my bullets, you guys, but I do love collecting them, and they are really nice on the lips. I bought my mom a few of the bullets and she loves them, you guys. So these are $19 and Hydra Mattes are $20 if I didn't mention it earlier. So we have an Enchante, we have Grape Soda and London Fog. So these are the 3 shades that we're gonna try today. Same packaging. Same packaging. We have the black with the gold accent, and then you have the name of the lipstick on the bottom. Can we just take a moment and admire this, you guys? You need to collect this, you guys, because look at it. It just looks so gorgeous. It just, I have them, I don't know, I'm pointing the wrong way. I have them right here. It just looks so gorgeous. Love the gold. Everything is gold, and then you have the name in the black accent, and then you have the name of the shade on the bottom. And yeah, I just love the bullets, you guys. And we just open it. So this is a twist product, and this is how much you are getting in this bullet. And we have another purple tone. So this is, what did I say? This is Enchante. It is so soft on the lips, you guys. It is so buttery. It just glides on your lips so smoothly. I love it. It is so comfortable on the lips, you guys. I'm telling you, it just sits on your lips. It just makes your lips so soft. Our next shade is London Fog, you guys. So this is a great lipstick. So I want to see if this is a true gray on my lips. I don't have one in the shade at all in any brands. So this is a great addition to my collection, all my collection. It's definitely different. Like I said, I've never used a gray lipstick before, so I think it's something that I have to get used to, but I'm not digging it right now. If you love this shade, you guys, if you rock this shade anywhere, anytime, let me know. Last but not the least is grape soda. So this is a true purple. Look at this shade, you guys. It speaks for itself. So let's just go ahead and try it. I love this shade on me. I really like this tone of purple. It's definitely a true purple. So I really like this shade. If you love purples, ma, I know you love purples. Do you like this shade? If you guys love purple, this is something that you need to have in your collection. Comment below and let me know which one is your favorite shade, and let me know if you like Hydra Mattes, or if you like liquid lipstick, if you like bullet, or you like just lip gloss. Let me know. I would love to hear your thoughts and your feedback. Once again, I just want to show my gratitude and say thank you very much to Gerard Cosmetics, Jennifer Gerard. Thank you so much for trusting me to showcase your products. I swear by Gerard Cosmetics. If you do not believe me, if you think that I'm, saying that because I'm getting free products, then please go ahead and comment in this. You know what? I'm gonna do a giveaway right now. So comment below. I think I have 2 extra either bullets or Hydra Matte that I haven't touched yet. I'm gonna give it to you guys. So comment below and let me know which one is your favorite shade out of all of the ones that I tried for you guys, and I will give you a chance to try Gerard Cosmetics so you can see for yourself how amazing these products are. So just comment below. Make sure you guys are subscribed and follow me on Instagram so I can contact you when I do pick the winners. This is not just something I'm saying because it is free product for me. I'm saying because I do love the product. I've been using it non-stop. If you go to my Instagram, look at all the products that I use. Most of the time it is Gerard Cosmetics. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this swatches. I do love unboxing. I do love showing you guys products, so I'm be doing that a lot here. So make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you guys don't miss out. Everything that I showed you guys today, everything that's on my face is going to be in the description below. Thank you guys for watching, and like always, I'll catch you in my next one. Bye guys.